Friends, hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to disable voice control on your iPhone. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments, and let's get into this topic. So friends, if you have voice control enabled and you want to disable it, first of all, you need to go into the settings on your phone. After that, scroll down a little bit and find an option here called Accessibility. Open it up, and here you can easily find voice control in the list. Click on it. And in order to disable it, you just need to turn off this button next to the word voice control. Or if you have a slightly newer model of iPhone and it will say enable or disable, then the same thing just in front of the word enable, click this button to disable. Also friends, I recommend you go back to accessibility and go to another feature here. This is side button settings. And if you have voice control enabled in this little menu in the side button settings, then you need to turn it off. And you can choose to either turn off absolutely any like side button features, or you can set Siri. And when you press the power button, then you'll have Siri appear. This is how, friends, you can easily disable voice control on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Goodbye.